Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce Dr. Shimon Sakaguchi, a Japanese immunologist who became one of the most influential figures in modern immunology. Some backstories. He was born on January 19, 1951 in Nagahama, Japan. After attending local schools, he earned his medical degree from Kyoto University and later also received his Doctor of Medicine degree in Kyoto University. He wasn't especially interested in science as a child, but he was always curious and loved readings. His real passion for science began when he was studying medicine at Kyoto University, where lectures in immunology inspired him to explore more and how the immune system works. He continued his research at Johns Hopkins, Stanford, and the Scripps Research Institute before he came back to Japan. One major challenge he faced came early in his career when his discovery of regulatory T cells was met with skepticism. Many scientists doubted the idea that special break cells could control immune reactions. However, he never gave up. His persistent and careful experiment eventually proved his theory true, reshaping our understanding of immune tolerance and paving the way for new treatments for autoimmune disease. For some of his hobbies, interviews and blog profiles suggest that he has loved readings since he was really young and believes that true knowledge comes from discovering things on your own. He also enjoys art and often visits museums and art galleries during his research trips abroad. This interest shows his deep curiosity and love for learning, qualities that have fueled his creativity and groundbreaking work in immunology. What I admire most about Dr. Shimon Sakaguchi is his perseverance and curiosity. Even when many scientists doubt his discovery of regulatory T cells, he never gave up and continued to test his ideas until he could finally prove them. Like him, I value curiosity and persistence, and I believe that real knowledge comes from exploring a question. His journey reminds me that true progress in science, even small questions, can lead to big discoveries. As I told you before, Dr. Shimon Sakaguchi is a Japanese immunologist known for discovering regulatory T cells, TRAGs, which is immune cells that act as brakes to prevent the body from attacking itself. His research in immunology focuses on understanding how the immune system maintains balance, like knowing when to attack and when to stop, and by studying how TRAGs control immune responses, his goal is to develop new treatment for autoimmune disease, cancer, allergies, and transplant rejection. One of his main work is called Control of Regulatory T cell Development by the Transcription Factor FOB3. In this experiment, the Sakaguchi tested whether FOB3 is uniquely expressed in CD4 plus, CD25 plus regulatory T cell tracts rather than in other T cell types. Using flow cytometry and RT-PCR, they found that FOB3 mRNA appeared only in CD25 plus, CD4 plus thymocytes, which is shown in panel A, and in peripheral CD25 plus, CD4 plus T cells, which is shown in panel B. Quantitative PCR showed that FOB3 level were about 100 times higher in these cells compared to CD25 minus cells, which is shown in panel C, and panel D shows that activation assays confirmed that normal T cell stimulation did not induce FOB3. Altogether, the results showed that FOB3 is a master regulatory gene essential for drug development and immune tolerance. This discovery later led to new studies explaining how FOB3 expression is regulated by environmental and genetic factors in humans. What he uncovered and next steps, Dr. Simon Sakaguchi discovered regular T cell tracks and identified FOB3 as a master gene that controls their development and immune tolerance. His research revealed how defects in FOB3 lead to autoimmune disease and how genetic environmental factors regulate tract stability. And now his work focuses on applying this knowledge to develop tract-based therapies and gene editing approaches to restore immune balance and treat human disease. In summary, Dr. Shimon Sakaguchi's lifelong dedication to science has transformed our understanding of the immune system. His discovery of regulatory T cells and the FOB3 genes revealed how the body maintains balance and prevents autoimmune disease. His curiosity, persistence, and passion for helping others continue to inspire scientists today. Thank you for listening and learning about his remarkable contribution to immunology. These are my references.